candy, M&M's, all kind of candy. What, chips? I got bags of chips. Wait a minute. More candy, tuna. We got pickles, applesauce. I love applesauce. Oh, we got drinks. Oh, we got drinks up in here. We got big time drinks and snacks. Oh my God. OMG. Got this condiments. We got a little bit of everything. What we got up here? More condiments, pastas, cereals, oatmeals, more fruit. We got here beans. You gotta have beans. Look at the meat section. Meat, turkey, chicken, nothing but healthy shit. Fish, nothing but the healthy shit, but these little burritos right here. Then you go down here, you got the green machine juice. If you drink naked, you know about that. Waters, orange juice, milks. That's what boo right there. I love applesauce, dips. That's taco meat for my nachos later on. What's this? Eggs for tuna, salads, fruits. We got bacon, turkey bacon back there. We got over here yogurts, more. What we got over here? Yogurts, more fruits, meat, sandwich meat, cheeses. What we got over here? Cheeses, fruit, Oreos, crackers. Oh, look what we got up in here. You see it. I ain't gotta say nothing. Crackers, bread, fruits. Love applesauce. I'm about to cook this chicken right now. Right, seasoned right. It's been marinating. It's going on the grill right now.